Wait, what?
Right, Olivia's just filming her vlog as well today. Be sure to follow Olivia on Instagram, YouTube, I'll link it down below.
Classic Louis channel.
Yeah, I have to write my name and an arrow on the other side as well.
Why an arrow?
Because I don't want to have the other side without anything, so. Right?
Boy, I'm gonna
Hey!
I'll forgive it to you.
Olivia forgot her headphones, I'll go and grab them now.
Right, have you put two?
Got them. Bring my messages to the ring.
Right! And we're off.
Okay.
8:30. It's not bad, is it?
They need to take a sample of Harry's knee.
Oh, you can get your coffee and stuff. It's pretty fast. Just finished the lounge. Now we're gonna go to our gate and get our plane. Aren't we, Olivia?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna film on the plane.
Filming her iPad. She hasn't got a vlogging camera like me.
Pardon?
Talking about Olivia's YouTube channel.
Hey Ruben, it's on the cube.
Stuck in my pocket.
Dad, can you let go of me a second?
Alright, we're on the flight now, so I think I'm going to end this clip right here and we'll see you in the next episode when we're in France. Peace out.